how to make your Telegram channel request to join. In order to do so, you may follow up the step. Open up Telegram app, and then once you are there, you may head over to your channel, and from there tap on the three dot at the top, or you may tap on your channel name, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, select the pen icon, the edit icon at the top right, to enter into settings. Once this opens up, head over to channel type option, and after heading over to channel type, select the first option called private channel, and then once you do, you will be seeing an invitation link. So all you gotta do is simply copy this link, or you may also use the share button, and once that is done, if anybody tries to join your Telegram using this link, requested link, they will be needing the request approval. So the user must request to join, and you can approve or deny them manually. So that's it for now. That's how you basically make your Telegram channel request to join. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.